Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at the Mplify Global NaaS event in Dallas. And today I'm joined by the one and only Pascal Menezes. He's the CTO of Mplify. Pascal, welcome to my hot seat.
Oh, well, thank you, Isabel. Not sure about the one and only.
So, of course, this week we heard a lot about AI. I think it's normal. What will be Mplify big AI play?
Well, we actually had a great strategy session with the board on Monday and all our technology and leadership teams. And we came to 4 major theme areas. And we'll describe them as short, medium, and long term. So the first short-term play is we are basically modernizing the transports for AI. So everything around NaaS for transports, NaaS, is going to be modernized for AI. So wavelengths, carry Ethernet, we're launching a new carry Ethernet certification around AI. And also the model connections to all of the peripherals to make AI work will be also based on Mplify's NaaS connectivity models, which are IP broadband, carry Ethernet over broadband, carry Ethernet, and so on. So that's a very critical aspect. The second one is automation. As we've been doing automation, we're going to convert all that automation into AI readiness. So MCP is becoming really huge, A to A, agent to agent. So we're going to make everything agent friendly, going to be MCP ready, and that's kind of the short term. The midterm stuff is we're going to uplift all our cybersecurity cert, be AI friendly and AI ready to test against threats within the models themselves and the agents, and it goes on and on. And then finally, the long-term play is the sovereign AI. Sovereign AI is going to be massive. How can and really the telcos are basically the root, the core of the sovereign AI play. And many countries are funding their telcos with syndications to make them the AI infrastructure of the future for that country. So that's a huge opportunity for telcos. So we're going to be embarking on that by delivering GPU as a service and also model as a service with the sovereign AI play.
That's super exciting. It sounds like the sky is the limit with this. So a lot of people in the industry are busy placing their big bet on AI. Where is Mplify going to put its big AI bet?
So as I said, we have quite a lot of assets that we've been doing in 10 years. As we've talked about going up the stack, beyond transports into cybersecurity and multi-clouds and so on, and automation. So where we are placing our bets short term is enabling all the data center interconnect, that there are data centers popping up everywhere for AI. So that's going to be carry Ethernet driven and wavelength driven. So our APIs and automation can buy and sell and turn up those wavelengths or carry Ethernet very, very fast. And we'll have a certification for carry Ethernet and also for our APIs. And that's really our big bet short term, make all our members really ready for the AI era. So you have to implement NaaS at that transport layer, automation layer for that transports if you want to be AI ready. That's the first, what we call that short-term bet that you have to do.
Okay. And we often hear digital first. That's an expression we use a lot in our industry. Do you think there's such a thing as AI first network as a service?
So the way we think of it is, so there's AI for networks, where basically AI is used by the telecom operators to help them automate and get better efficiencies and so on. That's what we're working on. We are doing NaaS for AI, or network for AI. So NaaS for AI means we're enabling the network to be AI ready so that AI can run better. Okay, so it's really helping AI run better. And this means that data centers have to be interconnected. They have to have massive bandwidth on either wavelengths, or with carry Ethernet, have to be able to ratchet up and down, be elastic and turn up and down the bandwidth. Sometimes you need the models to synchronize and really fast. Sometimes you don't need that bandwidth and you want to reduce it. There's also, I talked about connectivity to the models to peripherals, all that automation I talked about to be AI ready. So that's really NaaS for AI. And that's kind of what we're betting on, we're doing around here. And it's going to be sooner than you think. We're actually moving all our assets very fast into this whole NaaS for AI strategy.
Okay. I think there's going to be exciting times ahead when it comes to AI for Mplify. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you again for an amazing interview, Pascal. You never disappoint.
Thank you, Isabel. You're awesome.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.